Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Monday, July 22nd. Here is what we are covering. President Joe Biden's campaign staff were left in the dark until 20 minutes after his announcement of not seeking re-election was posted on social media. The staff received an email directing them to check Biden's post on X for further details. As reported, even senior aides learned of the withdrawal only moments before the public announcement. Discussions are already in motion to transition support to Vice President Kamala Harris's potential campaign for the Democratic nomination. With President Joe Biden dropping out of the race, Vice President Kamala Harris may become the Democrats' new nominee. As a presidential candidate, Harris was quickly endorsed by major tech industry figures, but has faced criticism for not doing enough to curb the power of tech giants during her tenure as California's Attorney General. Harris has been vocal about the need for tech regulation, especially concerning AI and data privacy, emphasizing that innovation and public safety can go hand in hand. On national security concerns, she reiterated that while ByteDance must address issues related to its ownership of TikTok, there are no intentions to ban the platform. Switching to the tech sector, LinkedIn is ramping up efforts to boost daily user visits by integrating AI-powered career advice and games, according to the Financial Times. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to drive growth as the platform's traffic trails behind entertainment-heavy platforms like Facebook and TikTok. The Microsoft-owned platform seeks to create a daily habit for users, leveraging record engagement levels but acknowledging slower revenue growth. Media analysts suggest that LinkedIn needs to evolve beyond just job postings to capture more attention and time from its user base. Turning to innovative uses of AI, in China, Silicon Intelligence allows people to interact with digital clones of their deceased loved ones using advanced AI chatbots. While offering emotional comfort, this technology raises ethical and security concerns, such as preventing deep fake scams and potential psychological impacts. Sun Kai, an executive, regularly chats with an avatar of his late mother and finds immense solace in the interaction. Experts warn, however, that an over-reliance on these digital clones could blur the line between reality and illusion, affecting the grieving process. In a surprising political move, Elon Musk's endorsement of Donald Trump is a high-stakes gamble for Tesla's future. Despite Musk's previous vow to avoid political involvement, he's endorsed Trump and is planning substantial financial support for his campaign. This move is puzzling for many, since Trump plans to dismantle Biden's EV incentives, which are crucial for Tesla's market. As Trump threatens to roll back these climate-friendly policies, Musk's backing could jeopardize Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Lastly, a global cyber outage on July 19, 2024, caused significant disruptions, grounding flights, interrupting broadcasts, and affecting healthcare and financial services worldwide. The root cause was identified as a defect in CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor software, triggering crashes in Microsoft Windows systems. Efforts led by Microsoft and CrowdStrike are ongoing to resolve the issue, though a full restoration of services will take several days due to the manual nature of corrections. The incident underscores the fragility of interconnected global IT systems and the urgent need for more robust cybersecurity measures.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.